In a world where luxury has limits, where hypercars are built only for speed, where mansions stay fixed to the ground, and armored vehicles sacrifice beauty for survival, one machine changes everything. This is the RPM Royals futuristic luxury sky mansion. Not just a vehicle, a rolling masterpiece engineered to travel the world and completely dominate it. At first glance, it almost doesn't feel real. It looks like something pulled straight out of the year 2050. A fusion of a private jet, a mega yacht, a cyberpunk hypercar, and a military fortress, all merged into one unstoppable machine. This is not an RV. It is not a truck, and it is definitely not a normal motorhome. This is a mobile penthouse on wheels, designed for absolute power, ultimate luxury, and complete road dominance. The front design. The moment you see the front, you immediately understand one thing. This machine demands attention. Its towering front architecture creates a presence that feels less like luxury transportation and more like a futuristic armored command center. Every angle feels intentional. Every line feels aggressive. Every detail projects power. The massive multi-layer grille blends hypercar styling with military-grade toughness. Gloss black surfaces flow seamlessly into metallic finishes, while huge airflow channels hint at a monstrous powertrain hidden beneath. And then, the lighting takes over. Ultra-thin LED daytime running lights stretch across the front like glowing blades, giving the Sky Mansion a signature identity that feels futuristic and intimidating at the same time. The split matrix headlights look inspired by aerospace engineering, suggesting intelligent beam control, adaptive night driving, and visibility powerful enough to cut through the darkest environments. And below it all, the aggressive splitter and aerodynamic lower section make something unbelievable happen. They make this giant machine look fast, because despite its enormous size, this vehicle clearly looks built to move with confidence. The side profile, but the real scale of the RPM Royals Sky Mansion, reveals itself from the side, and suddenly, you realize just how massive this thing truly is. This machine rides on what appears to be an extreme multi-axle platform, possibly a 10 by 10, or even a 12 by 12 drivetrain setup, meaning maximum traction, extreme stability, and enough structural strength to support what feels like an entire luxury mansion on wheels. Its proportions are absolutely extraordinary. The stretched body suggests multiple luxury spaces hidden inside. A private jet-inspired cockpit, a VIP executive lounge, a luxury bedroom suite, entertainment areas, smart storage, office spaces, and possibly even a fully equipped kitchen and bathroom setup. The panoramic dark glass windows give it a sleek, futuristic silhouette, while also delivering privacy, thermal protection, and executive-level sophistication. Even the entry system feels premium. Flush yacht-inspired doors, hidden automatic steps, biometric security, soft-close mechanisms. Every little detail pushes this machine beyond traditional automotive engineering. Honestly, this thing feels less like a vehicle and more like architecture in motion. The rear design. Then, you reach the back, and suddenly, it feels like you're staring at a futuristic armored headquarters. Massive vertical LED taillights dominate the rear, creating an aggressive cyber-futuristic identity while making the vehicle look even wider and more commanding. The flat rear structure likely hides critical systems, battery storage, off-grid technology, utility compartments, and power management systems. But what really catches attention is the unexpected supercar DNA. The lower diffuser and performance-inspired rear styling add a layer of aggression you simply wouldn't expect from something this massive. And that's what makes the RPM Royals design feel so unique. It balances two completely different worlds. The brutality of military engineering, with the elegance of ultra-luxury design. The roof technology. But surprisingly, the roof may be the smartest part of the entire machine. Integrated solar systems suggest self-sustaining energy for onboard electronics, climate control, and luxury living systems during long off-grid journeys. Satellite communication modules hint at global connectivity, emergency communications, GPS tracking, advanced navigation, and potentially worldwide internet access. This isn't just luxury. This is self-sustaining luxury. A mobile fortress, capable of surviving almost anywhere, while maintaining 5-star living standards. The cockpit. Step inside, and everything changes. The atmosphere instantly feels less like a vehicle and more like the cockpit of a futuristic private jet. Massive digital displays stretch across the dashboard, likely controlling navigation, cameras, diagnostics, suspension settings, entertainment systems, and intelligent driving technology. The aircraft-inspired controls create one powerful feeling. You're not driving this machine. You're commanding it. And surrounding the driver? Pure luxury. Premium captain seats wrapped in ultra-soft leather. Fully heated, ventilated, massage-enabled, and electronically adjustable. Gloss black surfaces blend beautifully with gold accents, while ambient lighting transforms the space into an executive-class lounge built for long-distance comfort. And thanks to the panoramic windshield, the entire cabin feels open, futuristic, and incredibly premium. The rear cabin, but the true masterpiece? It lives in the back, because this is where the RPM Royal Sky Mansion finally becomes exactly what its name promises. A rolling luxury penthouse. The rear lounge appears designed for billionaire-level comfort. Full-length luxury sofas, premium marble-inspired flooring, executive seating arrangements, futuristic entertainment systems. Everything feels closer to a luxury hotel suite than anything you'd expect inside a road-going vehicle. A massive entertainment wall could support movies, business meetings, gaming, or even live streaming. The minibar setup adds another layer of elegance, while the seating arrangement transforms the interior into a fully mobile executive headquarters. And above it all, the starlight ceiling creates a calm, relaxing atmosphere inspired by the world's most luxurious vehicles. The color theme. And then, there's the color combination. Black for power, cream for sophistication, gold for royalty. Together, they perfectly define the identity of RPM Royals. Performance potential. But underneath all this luxury, there's serious performance potential hiding beneath the surface. This machine could realistically feature a quad-turbo V12, a hybrid electric V16, or even a futuristic multi-motor electric setup producing over 2,000 horsepower. Enough power to move this giant structure effortlessly across highways, mountains, deserts, and extreme terrain. Advanced air suspension, intelligent terrain response, and next-generation all-wheel drive technology could allow the Sky Mansion to travel almost anywhere on Earth without sacrificing passenger comfort, and with a potential value ranging from $8 to $25 million. This machine enters a category far beyond ordinary luxury, because the RPM Royals' futuristic luxury Sky Mansion isn't transportation, it is power on wheels, a private kingdom in motion, and perhaps a glimpse into the future of billionaire living itself.